welcome back. So we're doing a holiday lippies video. So I was just doing my Christmas tree video and I'm sitting here like, what's another really good video I feel like I could do? And I thought, why not share with you guys my favorite holiday lip colors, like the one I'm wearing right now. So I figured, why not? I just changed my clothes because I'm ready to go take a shower. But before we do that, let's get into these lip colors, right? So I'm wearing a Gryffindor robe. I'm sure you guys are gonna ask where it's from. It's from Pottery Barn. It was a birthday gift from my best friend Aspen. She got it for me because she knows what a Harry Potter fan I am. So if you guys are wondering, that's where this robe is from before we get into the video. All right, so we're doing mainly matte colors. I just grabbed all of my favorite holiday lippies. So I'm a reds girl. I don't know if you guys know this, but if you follow me, you know that I love a good red lip. So these are basically mostly red colors and then a couple other sort of pinkish colors that I love that you can also kind of pull off for the holidays if you know how to do your makeup. Okay, so the first color I'm going to show you guys is the one I'm wearing, obvi. So this one is called Flames and it is by Prime Beauty. I wear this color so much that the writing on the little tube is gone. So yes, look at this. Such a pretty holiday red, you guys. I'm obsessed. This is one of my favorite colors. Definitely something I wear throughout, well, really all year long, but I feel like it's perfect for the holidays. Do you guys agree? If you agree, give this video a thumbs up and comment below. The next red I'm going to show you guys is this Milani red. I love this. It's not like a bright blue red like this one. I would say this is more of a, I don't know, it's just a deeper red. So here it is. This color is called Devotion and it's number 14. It's a matte red by Milani. It's one of my favorites. It's affordable and you can purchase this at Walgreens and any other store that pretty much sells Milani. I think CVS sells Milani as well. So I'm pretty sure you could probably find that there too. Another one of my favorite lip colors is this Kourt K by Kylie Jenner. So I don't actually have any of Kylie's other lip kits aside from this one, but my sister bought this for me for Christmas last year and it's literally like the perfect color. It goes with this robe perfectly. I've actually worn it before with this robe on, believe it or not, and it's just such a pretty like burgundy plum color. It's a great fall color, so if you're into like plums and burgundies, you'll love this. This is also great for the holidays as well, so I decided to include this Kylie Jenner lippy in there. This one is Kourt K, like Kourtney Kardashian. I think you guys will love this. It's a really pretty color. The next one is also by Prime Beauty. I actually have a full-on like review on these lippies on my channel. This one is called More Fiyah. This is more of an orange, but it gives you like a little red in it. Like it's an orange based, well, I wouldn't say it's an orange based red. It's just more of an orangey color. But if you're going for that bright holiday orangey look, you could totally get away with this one. This one to me is like the perfect color if you're gonna do more of like your auburns, your like oranges, like I don't know, it's just such a pretty orangey red. So I love this one. So the last two are actually NYX Powder Puff Lippies. I have a full try on video of these. You guys, you're gonna love these. I will link that video down below so you can see them. So this is Group Love, and Group Love is one of my favorites. It's a nice like reddish color. And then this one is, which one is this one? This one is Teenage Dream. So I love a good pink. I included this just because pink is such a pretty girly color, and since I'm so into pinks this year, like my Christmas tree, I figured I would share this pink color that I love so much from NYX. This is just like one of my favorite pinks right now, and I have worn it. It just looks so bomb on. Can you guys see that? Like on the lips, it actually comes out very like bright pink. I know on my hand it kind of doesn't look as bright, but I promise you guys, it is very bright. It's one of my favorite lippies, like honestly. Does this like it brighter? Whoa, it does. Look at that. There we go. Here is More Fiyah. We're gonna swatch this one real quick so you guys can see. it on now that I brightened up my lights a little bit. So that is more Fiyah under Teenage Dream. This is more Fiyah, this is Teenage Dream. Look how pretty. See what I mean when I say it's like an orange based reddish color? And then, oh, I forgot about this one. I gotta show y'all this one in a sec. So here is Amor. This one is by Milani. This is a deeper red, more of like a blue based purplish red. Look at that. It's very like maroonish, if that makes sense. But on the lips, it's not. On the lips, it actually looks red, but on my hand, it looks a little more maroon. I'm gonna show it to you guys next to the one on my lips, so you guys can see the difference. Let me see. I'm trying to find it. I'm like in the chair. So yeah, here. So here it is. I'm gonna show it to you next to it, a real like blue based red. So that is what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and this is the Milani one. This one's a deeper, darker tone. This one's a bright bluish red. So here is the Kylie Jenner one. I'm gonna show this one to you guys. This one is, again, like a purplish plum color, very fall, but good for the holidays as well. That's the Kylie Jenner one. Super pretty. And then the other one I showed you guys was this red by NYX. This is Group Love. I'm gonna put it above the other NYX color because this one's a nice red as well, but it's very powdery, so I feel like it doesn't last all day. You're definitely gonna need a base under it if you wear it. But this is it right here. This is more of a bright red. It's kind of similar to what I'm wearing now, but it's just a different texture and consistency. So it's more of a powdery, softer color. It's gonna look very soft on your lips versus this one that kind of stands out and like pops. This one isn't gonna do that. It's gonna be bright on your lips, but it's not gonna pop the way this Prime Beauty one does. All right. So this one is by Dior, and this is called Rouge. This one is like interesting because it's a metallic, but I just thought that it was really pretty. Now, if you feeling bold, I say try this one. Look at that. That's like a reddish orange lip gloss. And this one is by Dior. It's very pretty. It's different. I'm not huge into metallics, but I really like this one. I have a couple of these that my best friend sent me for my birthday, and I tried them out, and they're just so pretty. The consistency is pretty. I will definitely do a tutorial on these at some point. Maybe I'll do like a little Christmas look with this, just because it's different, you know. And I have a lot of metallics that I received from different brands, so we could do like a little metallic theme for the holidays. This one's super pretty. Yeah, what do you guys think? If you want to see that, leave a comment down below. All right guys, so that's it for my little holiday lipstick video. I just wanted to do something fun and quick. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave them down below. Click the bell for notifications, you guys, so that you know when I'm uploading a video. And make sure that you subscribe if you're not already, and follow me on all of my social media. I'm also uploading cooking videos to Facebook that you guys aren't going to see on YouTube. Sometimes I put them on YouTube, but they're mainly consistently on Facebook. So if you guys want to tune into my recipe videos, check out my Facebook page at Ashley Chennel. Love you guys. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.